some nesting dogs from Russia or whatever. Can you give me some cheap or whatever? Hell, it's like, what do you mean? Nasty dogs?
72, back up, please. 72. She got a distinct advantage here. So you know the rest of them are going to bang up on her because she's got Las Vegas. Press the button. Car number 72. She's driving a 95 Grand Marquis. You like riding horseback, four-wheeling, and hunting. 69, back up, please.
Go home tomorrow, start welding.
Erwin Johnson out of Bridgewater, 37. Her favorite kind of car is the Cavalier, the one she's driving. No, it's not. She likes the equipment, she said. First time in the Derby, but she's ready to have some fun. Wings, they're all yours. Yeah, there, that's down here. That big one is good you picked on. I bet you it's like this in Target. That's a tire blowing, I imagine. Sounds like it. That's what happens when the air comes out in a hurry. They don't care. They'll take them all on head to head. I think the paint job room's gonna do them. Bring in the old radiator of that big Marquis. Looks like Marquis may not be moving anymore, and there's definitely steam flying out of there. I think they did the damage to the V8. Looks like two moving. Stop. We had our last two moving, they'll go on to the final. That's well.
Not going to beat them that way.
Uh-oh, big one's moving. Looks like 11 may be done. If it is, that third for 11. Oh, looks like that woman might be done. Now we got a little car against big car. Uh-oh. And spot for little car to be set.
I don't think you can handle that big car. Why? It's all like... That was a good hit.
That stirred up the dust. Jeez.
Bring the radiator, you'll fix that taxi.
Oh. Smoking now.
She may still get run into periodically.
Why is she in there?
Amanda, going there in that purple car with the gold, that's Danny Millman.
I'm not a fan of the crown.
Sponsored, and the pink one.
Yeah.
Sponsored by Baby Auto.
Actually, those ones aren't very
With
good.
Auto Clinic,
Those ones aren't very good, but the ones that are the newer ones, they hold up pretty good.
Now, she's going to get that taxi wound up. You got the bigger car.
They must be built different or something.
But everybody cheers to cheer for the underdog.
Wow.
You got on the road, I don't know if you call
The
that
dust going.
each other or not.
Probably can't see each other.
We're not sure which one pulls us up the worst when it hits. The rear tires look like they're locked out. 72's not moving, the clock is